Solve the equation cos theta plus 60 equal to 2 sin theta, giving all solutions in the interval 0 to 360. He told you to solve the equation, so you need to find the values for theta in the interval 0 to 360 satisfying this condition. Is it clear? Now, given equation is cos theta plus 60 equal to 2 sin theta. Now, how do I simplify this? Did you get the idea? What formula should you make use of is, here you can apply the formula, and which formula can you apply here is cos A plus B. In place of A you have this one, in place of B you have this one. So cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Let us apply here. So I get cos theta cos 60 minus sin theta sin 60 is equal to 2 sin theta. Next, how do we simplify means? Replace cos 60 and sin 60. Okay, so cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 minus sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 equal to 2 sin theta. Clear? Now, what will this result in? Cos theta into 1 is cos theta by 2 minus sin theta into root 3 is root 3 sin theta by 2 equal to 2 sin theta. You are able to follow it, right? Yes. Next, since the denominators are same, I take 2 here and no change to the numerators, cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 2 sin theta. Next, I multiply by 2 on both sides. Why did I multiply? Such that this cancel out, leaving cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 2 into 2 4 sin theta. Clear? Next, now take all the sine one side and cos one side. What I mean is, this sine and this sine should be one side. For that I will shift this to this side. The cos will remain on the same side. So cos theta equal to 4 sin theta. Here it is minus, after shifting it will become plus root 3 sin theta. Okay, now take sin theta common. So what do I get? Cos theta equal to sin theta. If I take common, here I am left with 4 and here I am left with root 3. Clear? Now, to find the value of theta from this, there are two trigonometric ratios, sine and cos. So I should make them into 1, only then I can find the value of theta. And how do I make them 1? See here. Divide both sides with cos theta. Why are we dividing? Such that this cancel out, and here instead of sine by cos, I will write tan theta equal to into 4 plus root 3. Now, tan theta should be the subject. For that, I am dividing by 4 plus root 3 on both sides, such that this cancel out. Tan theta equal to 1 by 4 plus root 3. Now, clear? Okay. Here tan we got it to be positive. Now I should see in what all quadrants is tan positive. It's like this. See, it is all silver tea cups. So tan is positive in the first and third. So to get an angle in the first, it is directly tan inverse 1 by 4 plus root 3. and to get an angle in the third, it is 180 plus tan inverse 1 by 4 plus root 3. Clear? Next, put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be 9.90. And if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 189.9. Thus, these are the values of theta in the interval satisfying the given equation. Okay.